倒了樱桃树。
Today is the shadow of tomorrow. Today is the present future of yesterday. Yesterday is the shadow of today. The darkness of the past is yesterday. And the light of the past is yesterday. The days of yesterday are all numbered in some. And the word once, because once upon a time there was a yesterday.
The light of the past is the light which was. The wisdom of the past is the light of the past. The light of the future was the light which is to be. The wisdom of the future was the light of the future, see. Yesterday belongs to the dead. Tomorrow belongs to the living. The past is certified as a finished product. Anything which is ended is finished. That which is perfect is finished.
If you think about the past, then you merely reminiscing. If the future, then you're wishing, but the present's what you're living. So live for the moment. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. The past is gone, the present time should be your point of focus. Graveyards and tombstones to symbolize the past, but you can see tomorrow in the womb, antenatal scars. Had a wifey in the past, but I left it in the present, just a friendship to fuck her. I still might be tempted tomorrow.
For the better, of course.
Sun Ra. Sun Ra.
Lord Quas.
Mad Lib.
Other places.